Oh, hello again. Looks like you're ready to access your district account. Your district account will give you access to your computer, your email, your cloud drivers, and much more. Your district account will be the launching pad for accessing all of the other accounts, like many of the things on the staff intranet page. Shall we get you set up?
Now let's get you signed in to your district account. On your Windows device, you should see a startup screen kind of like this. And what we want to do is press the space bar, and we will enter our login name. And that is typically your first initial and your last name. Then we will enter in the password that was sent to us by the IT team and click the arrow. This will take us through the initial startup process. Now we see our Windows screen. Now that we are logged in to our Windows account, we will want to change our password. And we change our password by clicking on the keyboard, Alt, Control, and Delete. And we are taken to this screen here, and our fourth option is to change a password. So we click there, we enter our old password, then we enter our new password, and then we click the arrow to submit. Our password has now been changed. Click OK, and it takes us back to our Windows screen. Now, as a side note, your initial login to your computer needs to be done while you are on the Round Lake Area School District network. That way, when you change your password, when you log in, everything syncs up properly. Otherwise, you may have some technical issues.